Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Upstart loan marketplace to understand earnings risk, detailed guide step by step clearly. To set up the Upstart loan marketplace, begin by visiting the Upstart website. Create an account by clicking on the sign up button. Fill in your personal details such as name, email address, and phone number. Choose a secure password that meets the website's requirements. Confirm your email by clicking on the link sent to your inbox. Log into your new account to access the dashboard. Navigate to the Loan Options section to explore different types of loans available. Review the eligibility requirements for the loans you are interested in. Consider using the loan calculator to estimate potential loan amounts and interest rates. Gather necessary documents for the application process, including income verification and credit history. Start the application by selecting your desired loan type and filling in the required information. Make sure to accurately report your income and employment details. Review your application thoroughly to ensure all information is correct. Submit your application and wait for the preliminary loan offer. Once you receive an offer, carefully analyze the terms and conditions. Understand the interest rates and repayment schedule before accepting the loan. If satisfied, accept the loan offer and provide any additional documentation requested. After acceptance, funds will typically be disbursed within a few business days. Regularly monitor your loan account to track payments and remaining balance. Utilize resources available on the Upstart platform to manage earnings risk. Stay informed about market trends that may affect your loan and financial stability. Engage with Upstart's customer support for any questions or clarifications. Take proactive steps to improve your credit score for better future loan options. Evaluate your overall financial health periodically to understand earnings risk. Continue to educate yourself on personal finance management to make informed decisions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.